Guys, welcome back to another video with your main man Smooth Marky. In today's video I'm going to be showing you guys this absolutely amazing Minecraft Park Edition out. It's actually going to allow me to head to the Teen Titans Go dimension. If you guys actually want to go ahead and head to the Teen Titans Go dimension for yourself, the name of the add-on is the Minecraft Park Edition Teen Titans Go dimension add-on, guys. Wow, that was a long name. But everything you guys are going to need is inside this one beautiful, glorious chest right here, guys. So what you guys are going to need to head to this absolutely fantastic and butt-slapping dimension is 10 lime wool. You're also going to need fur red wool. And you're also going to need a flint and steel to light it all up. You're also probably going to have some enchanted golden apples just in case you accidentally end up lighting up something you was never supposed to light up, if you know what I mean. I'm also bringing along a pufferfish just for good luck. And I'm bringing along a potato because I actually have to use a potato as my brain, guys. I'm also bringing along a chicken, a cow, a pig, and a villager, guys. And the reason I'm bringing them all is because they all want to see Starfire. So they might all get in a fight over Starfire. I'm not for sure, guys. I'm also bringing along a stick because it's actually going to replace Robin's staff. And I'm also bringing along some paper so he can write down all of his plans. And maybe if he wants to, he can also draw some butt cheeks. But let's go ahead and head into this dimension. When you're heading into this dimension, what the heck is that? When you're making the frame to head into this dimension, you want to put 2 green wool in the middle. Then you want to put 1 red wool on one side, 1 red wool on the other. Then you just want to jump one up. You want to put 3 lime wool on this side, so 1, 2, 3. Then you just want to put 1 red wool, and now you just want to look around. Make sure that you don't see Brother Blood anywhere. Oh my god, is that him? Oh no. No way that's him, guys. Because that's just a UFO. Let's go ahead and jump one down. Ooh, that hurt. Ooh, right in the old cranberries. Let's go ahead and build this other half. You just want to go ahead and put 3 lime wool. Then you want to put 2 lime wool in the middle. Then you just want to go ahead and put 1 red wool on this side. And boom, shebang. Let's go ahead and jump on down. And wow, that looks absolutely gorgeous, guys. Let's go ahead and light it up and see what it looks like. Oh my god, I'm on fire. No. I cannot believe I caught my own self on fire, guys. But wow. All I gotta say is waffles. Waffles. You know? Waffles. Let's go ahead and head on in, guys, to the mystery chest. And in the mystery chest, we have TNT. And we also have some redstone torches, so you best believe we're gonna be blowing some stuff up, guys. We also have some cookies and some milk in case Santa Claus comes by and he wants to ruin all the rest of the holidays again, guys. I'm also bringing along some cake in case, he wants to throw a party. So let's go ahead and let's head into this amazing, fantastic, butt-smacking dimension, guys. Let's go ahead and do this. Come on. Whee! Oh my god, I jumped straight through. Let's go ahead and back it on up, guys. And whoa! All I gotta say about this, guys, is what the butt cheeks. This is amazing, guys. Wow! It is absolutely humongous. I would love to play hide and go seek inside a tower like this, guys. Let's go ahead, try to jump on over and head up to the top of this tower. And oh my god, guys, they even have a sheep. Don't do it, don't jump, sheep. Wow, I guess he just decided to go for a swim, guys. He just decided to go for a swim. I hope a shark don't swim up on him and then eat him whole. And if it does, I want to see it because that would be really cool to watch. But what the heck? They broke the staircase and I can't even jump up there, guys. And wow, this could actually be turned into a little office or something, guys. Let's go ahead and head on up. Wow, there is a lot of rooms in this place. I'm telling you, it would be great for hide and go seek. It would be great if you and your friends could come to this dimension. And then you guys could go out and fight crime. And you guys could go out and smack zombies on the butt and whatnot. That would be really cool, guys. And it would be really funny too. But let's go ahead and open this up. And whoa, we must be up a long ways. But wow, this place looks amazing, guys. Absolutely amazing. Let me go ahead and see how far we are up. Because I'm really afraid of heights, guys. Oh my God. Let's go ahead and spawn that chicken. Whoa. 1 hour later, he reached the bottom, guys. It's going to take him a long time to reach the bottom. But wow. They have a TV inside here, guys, with this nice luxury sofa, which is pink. We cannot forget that it is pink, guys. But wow, it was comfortable. It was really comfortable, guys, to set my butt cheeks on. But wow, they have a lot of ovens going up in here, guys. And this looks like a hot tub that I'm very sad about because I can't actually get into it, guys. But let's go ahead and look around this place some more, guys. We are going to try to head up on the roof right after we see all of the bedrooms, and hopefully we meet up with them, guys. This is obviously Cyborg's bedroom, guys. Wow, he has a nice TV. Let's go ahead and see somebody else's room. This is obviously Beast Boy's room. Ew, it stinks and it's nasty. Ooh, waffles everywhere, guys. But this is pretty nice. He has a TV. He has a pretty nice bed. Let's go ahead and head on down. I really was hoping to meet up with Beast Boy, but he might be on the roof. He might be on the roof. I'm hoping he's on the roof, guys. Or he's in one of these other bedrooms. This is obviously Raven's bedroom, guys. And why I just love to sniff her pillows, guys. That's what I love to do, guys. Just sniff her pillows and maybe just lay in her bed for a while. Really take it all in. I'm going to leave her this cake, so she can come back and eat it whenever she wants to, guys. Whenever she wants to. It was only made with love and a little bit of tears. But wow, Cyborg has another bedroom. This is just crazy at this point, guys. Two Cyborg bedrooms. And I haven't even seen Starfire's bedroom. Come on. Let's go ahead and head into this bedroom. This is obviously Robin's bedroom. And wow, his bedroom looks really amazing, guys. I love his TV. This would be my bedroom, guys. This right here would be my bedroom. But you know what? I'm just gonna blow it up because it has to be done, guys. It has to be done. Let's go ahead and blow it up. Boom! Now he's gonna be mad when he comes back, guys. He's coming back. Who did this? When I find out who did this, what the heck? What the heck are them villagers doing down there? They was obviously spying on me, guys. But what is this? Is this another Cyborg bedroom? Wow, guys. Cyborg has 3 bedrooms. Can you believe that? 3 bedrooms. It's just crazy at this point, guys. It is just crazy how many bedrooms they have given Cyborg. But wow, Robin has an open view, so he really shouldn't be that mad. I'm not really for sure whose bedroom this is. This might be Starfire's bedroom. They just colored it a different color. I'm not really for sure, guys, but it looks pretty cool. Let's go ahead and shut that back, and let's head on in here. And oh my God, I would want this to be my bedroom. They have a nice toilet, guys, that feels really nice on the rump. They also have this, which I think it might be a shower. And then they have this, which is a tub, guys. Wow. This tub's just so beautiful, guys. I just love this whole bathroom. You know what? I love it so much that I'm going to spawn my cow in here, guys, and my pig, and my villager, because I know they all want to use the shower and that beautiful, gorgeous, glorious toilet, guys. But let's go ahead and try to find a way up on the roof, guys, so we can jump. That's right, guys. We're going to jump off the roof. It is going to happen. Hopefully we meet up with the Titans too, guys, up on the roof, so we can all jump off the roof. Wow, that's another entryway. They have 2 entryways up onto the roof, guys. And wow, the Titans ain't up here. They must be out, guys. They must be out for the day. But whoa, that is a long drop. It actually looks like the building is bigger standing at the top of the building than standing at the bottom of the building. But I'm actually going to blow myself off the roof, guys. Let me know what you guys thought about this absolutely amazing dimension down in the comment section below. And as always, guys, if you thought this video was the bomb, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Until next time, thanks for watching, guys. Bye. Wow, I cannot believe I survived that.